Hi guys, so we're going to look at your assignment that's converting mass to moles. So when we're converting mass to moles, what we're doing is calculating the molar mass of elements, or of compounds based on their atomic masses found in the periodic table. And I know I didn't get to pass periodic tables out to you guys in class yet, but I will make sure there's one on Canvas that you guys can look at. And we're going to go through it. So I'm going to do number 1, and the one that corresponds with that would be number 13 on your assignment. On your assignment, again, you're going to do this on a separate sheet of paper and then take a picture of that paper and upload it to Canvas, and that is how I will grade you on this assignment. So let's start with the first one. Number 1 wants to know the molar mass of H2SO4. So to do this, I need to know I have 2 H's, I have 1 S, and I have 4 O's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each one by its molar mass as found on the periodic table. And it'd be really helpful if I had okay. I have my periodic table. I'm good to go. So 2 times the molar mass of hydrogen, which is 1.008 grams, plus 1 times the molar mass of sulfur, which is 32.06 grams, plus 4 times the molar mass of oxygen, which is 15.999 grams. So I'm going to multiply those and add them up. So 2 times 1.008 plus 32.06 plus 4 times 15.999. And I'm going to get my molar mass to be 98.072 grams per mole of H2SO4. Now, I don't round this. I think on your assignment I tell you to round to 3 decimal places if needed. I'm not going to do anything with significant figures right now. I'm going to do that on number 13, which is the one that corresponds with number 1. So, on the instructions for the bottom half, it says do the mass to mole conversions. Use the molar mass you calculated above to help you solve the following. You don't have to show your work again for these calculations because we just did that part. And be sure your answer is in the correct number of significant figures. Use dimensional analysis. So now on this problem, it wants to know how many moles of H2SO4 am I going to get from 1,205 grams of H2SO4. So I'm going to go grams to moles. So basically, I'm just going to divide this guy by his molar mass. So again, we calculated the molar mass to be 98.072 grams of H2SO4. And that's equal to 1 mole of H2SO4. And again, a mole is just an amount. It's just an amount. It's just a way that we can look at substances in chemistry. That's why I have all those moles in my classroom. Just you remember that a dozen is 12. A mole is just a amount that we use to compare different compounds in chemistry because atoms are so small. So I'm just going to divide this. My grams will cancel, so I'll be left with moles. So 1,205 divided by 98.072. And I'm going to get this big long number, and I'm just going to put in what I have. Okay, and I'm going to convert this to 4 significant figures here. So I'm going to convert this to 12. Look at this guy right here. 29 in its moles of H2SO4. And on all these problems, make sure you're using proper units, please and thank you. If you're not using units, how do I know you don't mean 12.29 puppy dogs of H2SO4? Like, I need to know these things. So if you have questions, please message me. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.